Are you ready to venture across the border into the United States and conquer the trucking industry like a pro? Whether you're an experienced driver or embarking on your first journey, we have all the essential information to ensure your trip is a success. In this Customs Consulting Do-It-Yourself video, I'll provide you with step-by-step guidance on acquiring the required barcodes, lead sheets, and customs documents to cross the US border. Rest assured, the process is much simpler than you might imagine. First and foremost, when entering the United States with a commercial shipment, it's typically necessary to have a physical PAPS barcode label if the shipment's being cleared as a PAPS by a customs broker. Additionally, it's also advisable to present an ACE electronic manifest lead sheet upon arrival to facilitate a smooth border crossing with a CBP officer. If you're using Border Connect AC manifest software, obtaining an ACE lead sheet with a barcode for your trip number is a breeze. Simply fax, email, or print it directly from the software, and presto, your driver is all set and ready to go. However, if you're not using Border Connect or you don't have an ACE lead sheet, there's no need to worry. You can still present a PAPS barcode label upon arrival, which includes your SCAT code along with the remainder of your shipment control number. This label is typically attached to your commercial invoice or bill of lading and serves as a valuable tool in facilitating the release of your driver. Now let's discuss the requirements for shipment release other than a PAPS. When entering the United States, you may encounter various types of shipments. These include in-bond shipments destined for a bonded warehouse, personal goods, and items eligible for duty-free status. It's crucial to be familiar with the customs documents needed for each of these scenarios. For instance, if you're transporting goods in bond to a bonded warehouse, you will need to complete a CBP Form 7512, which includes bond information and commodity details. Alternatively, if you're transporting personal goods, you'll be required to submit a CBP Form 3299. Another commonly used shipment release type is a free of duty shipment, applicable for qualified goods valued at $2,500 US or less. In such cases, a CBP Form 7523 is necessary. However, there's no need to worry because Border Connect enables you to automatically generate your in-bond CBP Form 7512 when creating an in-bond shipment in the software. And for highway carriers transporting goods through either the United States or Canada, known as an in-transit move, an A/B in-transit manifest is required. This manifest, also referred to as a CBP Form 7512-B, consists of 4 separate carbon copies, allowing you to provide them to the officer at each stage of the journey. To find out more about in-transit moves, you can visit the Border Connect support wiki through the provided link in the description below. Or, to order in-transit manifests, a link to order will also be provided in the description below. But that's not all. If you're a participant in a trusted trader program such as the Free and Secure Trade, FAST for short, you'll need what's known as a National Customs Automation Program lead sheet, NCAP for short. These lead sheets include the carrier's name and a barcoded carrier trip number, and they're presented to the CBP officer upon arriving at a dedicated fast lane. Last but not least, we have a comprehensive list of shipment release types along with their respective document requirements. For a complete list of document requirements, you can visit Border Connect support wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. The link is in the description below. And there you have it. With Border Connect e-manifest software and Border Print, acquiring the required documentation and barcode labels for crossing the United States border has never been easier. So sit tight, fasten your seatbelts, and get ready for a seamless journey.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here, or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to Border Connect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.